Everybody, welcome to my review channel on YouTube, Review Homes. Today I'm doing a review on Riida P03 3 USB port 7.2, a quick charge car charger. Seller aux press buying. Now this is it. Came in this box, beautifully box. User manual, instructions, nicely padded box, and this is it. Why is my hand shaking today? It's nicely shining, well made car charger. It's got 3 ports, 2.4 amps, 7.2 total. Now it's quite good. You can charge all your devices in it. Built-in protective, automatically identifies any problem on discharge, voltage or temperature circuits, and it would cut it off. So it has a P03, 5 volts, 2.5 each, 5 volt, 2.5, yeah, 7.28 total. So what else? It's nicely made. I like the way the silvery shiny things in the side makes it look sophisticated and well made. There's some, you can peel off the top here. There's a plasticky rubbery thing covering it, so you can peel it off. It's quite good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the seller's web link on Amazon. I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the video, and I'm gonna put part of the pictures and the details on my newly created Facebook. So the link on my Facebook will be at the bottom of the video, so please click. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, you can click the thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bang.